Channel again. I'm Christina, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious Indonesian bouillabaisse. Why I call it Indonesian bouillabaisse? Basically it's kind of fish soup, but it's kind of spicy, sour, sweet, and all flavored together, and with a lot of really nice exotic ingredients. Let me show you the ingredients. It's very simple, and I'm going to show you easy way to make it, and you will love this. Let's get started. So as you see here, I have these two really beautiful pieces of salmon. I cleaned the scales, so basically you can eat with the skin. I'm going to cut into very small pieces. I have 2 pieces of French shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, lemongrass. I freeze my lemongrass, 2 chilies. This is very spicy. If you like it very spicy, you can add more. I think for me 2 chilies are enough. Kaffir lime leaves, I like them very much. I'm going to put 4 or 5 pieces of them, and these are actually coriander or cilantro roots. If you don't have this, it's okay. I have this. I always have that on hand. I always buy my cilantro, clean my cilantro, and then I keep the roots if in case I want to cook something with fish soup. Here I have powder ingredients. I have turmeric powder, ginger powder, and galangal powder. In this soup, besides water, I'm going to put some crushed tomatoes, some salt, and some sugar. I'm going to skip the pepper. If you want, you can add some white pepper. I think white pepper in this soup is going to overpower my soup later, especially I have chili already, but if you like it, go ahead. This is why I call it easy peasy soup recipe. I'm just going to put all these ingredients inside in my blender. You can also use mortar and pestle, but I'm kind of lazy today. French shallot go inside. Oh, by the way, you need some oil too. I forgot oil. All inside, and that's it. So I'm going to add some water inside here, 1/3 of a cup or so. Perfect. So I'm going to cook my soup with medium-sized pot. Make sure the sides they're pretty high, otherwise you cannot really cook soup with that. Medium-high heat. A little bit oil. I use olive oil, and I'm going to put my coriander roots inside, kaffir lime leaves, and basically I'm going to crush my lemongrass. I'll just put it inside here and crush them. This is how it looks like inside the pot. It's pretty hot right now. I'm going to put my mixture inside here. Oh, it smells really good right now. Put some water inside, so that way I also clean my blender. Oh, it smells really good. I'm going to put the powder ingredients inside. Give it a stir. Oh, I could smell it. It's spicy. Oh. And then all the crushed tomatoes inside. I have about 500 grams. My soup is a bit thicker than I want it, so I'm going to put a little bit more water inside. About a cup or so. Basically all together I put 2 cups of water. Put some salt inside. I put just about 1 tablespoon. No, 1 teaspoon, sorry. And some sugar. The sugar is going to balance the tomato sauce inside because the tomato is a little bit sour, and I'm going to put lemon juice inside. So if you put a little bit of sugar, it's going to balance all the flavor inside. I'm going to let it cook a little bit until it simmers. I'm going to cut my fish into small pieces. If you cut salmon with the skin, I suggest you to have a really sharp knife and cut it from the skin through the meat. That's it. 5 minutes later, it has simmered. I'm going to lower the heat and I'm going to put my fish inside. You can use other kind of fish too. I use salmon because I love salmon and it's very easy to get salmon here. You can also use tuna, mackerel, any kind of fish you want. Traditionally in Indonesia, it's cooked basically with a lot of turmeric, and there's no tomato, like there's no crushed tomatoes inside. I just like tomatoes inside because I don't know, I think it tastes a lot better with the tomatoes. And traditionally it's also cooked with a tamarind. I don't have any tamarind right now, so I'm going just to use lemon juice. All the fish pieces are inside here. I'm going to cover with a lid and I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. My soup has been simmering for about 7 minutes. It took a bit more than I expected because some fish pieces, they are a bit thicker. I'm going to turn off the heat completely and I'm going to add some lemon juice inside. Depending how sour you like it, I'm going to put half first, like half of the lemon juice. Stir a little bit. And try it. If I need more, then I just add more. A bit more. Oh, it's very spicy. Half of the lemon juice is enough. Oh, it's very spicy. Buying chilies are just buying lottery. You never know. Oh, that's spicy. I eat spicy food, but this is definitely very spicy. You can add only 1 chili if you want. Oh, that's spicy. So I'm going to try 1 piece. And some basil, sweet basil. Put on top. See how pretty it is. Today I'm very happy and I'm going to serve my lunch with wine from my friend Tracy. Thank you, Tracy, for the wine. going to serve fish with white wine. Yum yum. Now you know the best part, to try it. The lemon juice, it naturalizes the spiciness of the chili. It's it's full of flavor. It's just so yummy. Yumminess overload. In a cold winter in Germany. Try the fish. Oh, the salmon has a little bit of the fat inside, not from the skin, from the salmon. It's very creamy, but together you eat it with this soup. It has a lot of exotic flavor inside. It's just so delicious. Cheers, or Prost in German. Oh, it's perfect with a fish soup. Thank you, Tracy, by the way. Can I have another piece? Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. To get this recipe and other recipes, go to mickmackkitchen.com. Bye! See you next time!